Today I've presented the newly established assessment document for reinforcing bar and the seismic post-install reinforcing bar and the seismic loading, which has been established last year based on the rules of the European Organization for Technical Assessment. With this assessment document, it's possible to qualify a post-install reinforcing bar system in order to be designed following the provisions of the Eurocode 8. And the core of my presentation in a nutshell is the technical background of this assessment, which is based on the proof of the equivalency in terms of performance, meaning hysteretic behavior, energy dissipation of a post-install rebar system compared to a cast-in rebar, considering the main failure modes that may occur, meaning splitting failure in the case of condition close to an edge, small concrete cover, unconfined concrete, where the failure is characterized by the radial crushing of the concrete around the bar, or the pull-out failure, which is basically the extraction of the reinforcing bar out of the concrete without damaging the surrounding element. And this review included some reference to the research conducted in the last years in order to give a solid technical background to this assessment.